He who sleeps with crusty bum, wake with smelly finger. So, I've just got back from Turkey. As many of you may be aware, in Turkey, you can't flush paper towels as their sewage system isn't designed for paper waste. In Turkey, they have butt washers, otherwise known as bidets. I have to tell you, my posterior has never felt so good. I mean, who thought it would be a good idea to clean ourselves with a dry paper towel? I plan to refurbish my bathroom in the near future, so I didn't want to replace my toilet with a bidet toilet yet. Instead, I've purchased this bidet converter. For just £32, I am going to turn this old poop can into a green butt washing machine. You are going to watch how easy it is to achieve. First impressions, it feels great for the price. The on-off knob feels smooth and great to operate. Now we need to figure out how to remove this seat. There is no caps or covers to remove from above, so I guess we will unscrew from below. Okay, the seat is removed. It comes with these rotating discs, which is what makes it a universal fit. I want to get the spray nozzle as far back as possible. Make sure the seat's bolts are still lined up correctly. I was hoping to hold this into position while placing the seat on top, but that's not going to happen. Let's just get it all together, then make adjustments afterwards. Right then. Grab your nuts. Let's get these nuts tightened back up. Time to plumb it in. Turn off the supply. Flush the toilet. This will release the pressure in the pipe and create less of a mess when we disconnect it. This has a rubber washer. We will tighten this by hand, and then another half a turn with a tool. It's important not to over-tighten any plumbing connection with a rubber washer too tight, as doing so will split the washer. Be careful not to create a kink in the hose. A gentle bend is just fine. Take the supplied hose and connect one end to this branch. Connect the other end here. Turn the water back on and check for leaks. All looks good. Let's do a quick demonstration. Without getting my butt out, you have to become a patron to see that. If you are interested in purchasing one of these for yourself, I will leave a link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.